Hey you guys, it's your girl Costa here. Welcome to my channel, Lady Gaston Plans. Where here on this channel we do all things related to planning, productivity, and creativity. And if that is something that you are interested in, I hope you will stick around to the end of this video and subscribe to my channel. Hey y'all, alright, I am back with another digital sticker release. By the time you see this particular video, the stickers are already live and selling on my Etsy shop. The link to my Etsy shop and these stickers will be located down in the description of the video. So let's go on and jump into it. Shameless plug. This is a wallpaper that is available to my Patreon members. That link is also located in the description of this video. And y'all, I forgot to charge my iPad, so I have it on the charger, and it may be going in and out if I don't catch it at a certain time. And by the way, I am using an Apple Pencil dupe that I purchased from Amazon. My Apple Pencil is dead and I need to charge it, and I couldn't charge it as well as my iPad at the same time, so I'm just using my dupe, and guess what, it is working just fine. Alright, so for all of my digital sets that I create, I put them in this folder called Digital Try Sets. So I'm going to go into that folder. I have three digital sticker releases for the month of March. First we have Let's Get Shamrocked, and I'm going to go on and go out of that one. The next one we have I Am Woman, which is for Women's History Month. And we have another one that's called He Is Risen. Now for the month of March, since there's so much going on, I will actually have another digital release coming soon, but I just want to go on and get these out in time at the beginning of the month. So let's go to the Let's Get Shamrock stickers, digital stickers. So as you see, this first page is filled with beautiful dolls, excuse me, beautiful dolls as well as other decor for the month of March. We all know St. Patrick's Day is in the month of March. So we have three dolls here, and we have this little house, this window frame, and other decor related to the St. Patrick's Day theme. And here, of course, most of my digital sticker sheets will come with a sheet of decor and a sheet of functional stickers and flags. So as you see here, we have the hexagons, we have the box of check circles. I really don't know the correct name for those, so if you know it, please put it down there in the comment section so I can pronounce it right. Also, we have some flags here that says Easter, Good Friday, Hello Spring, St. Patrick's Day. There's a lot going on in March. We got St. Patrick's Day, we have Women's History Month, we have the first day of spring, we have Good Friday, and we have Easter. So there's a lot filled in this one month in 2024. So as I mentioned, the hexagon, the boxes here for the check circles. We have some flags here that says Easter, Good Friday, Hello Spring, St. Patrick's Day. We have some flags here that gives you like your functional headers. It says focus, goals, payday, reminder, this week, to do, today. We have our functional boxes, and I did some date circles down here, and we have the little clover leaf down at the end. So this is what we have for the Let's Get Shamrocked. And I try to come up with little funny themes for my digital sticker sets, because I didn't want to say March or Irish or anything, so I think Let's Get Shamrock is very cute. So that is the one for the St. Patrick's theme. All right, in honor of Women's History Month, our next sticker sheet is called I Am Woman. And let me go back. Okay. This is the first sheet that is full of dolls here. You have the three ladies that are standing together. You have the ladies that are walking together. And I paired these ladies down here at the bottom, and it has the quote, "Girls run the world," which is true. So these are some dolls. They are absolutely beautiful for Women's History Month. So this is your decor sheet with the dolls, and here we have the functional shapes and quotes on this page. We have the boxes here. We have more of the check circle boxes here. We have a lady here that's working on her computer, and there's a quote by her that says, "Empower women, empower women." We have the half moon circles functional shapes here. We have a briefcase. We have this beautiful quote here that says, "Bold, beautiful, and blessed." I love that. I didn't want to come up with just something plain and simple. I wanted to come up with something that expresses how we as women feel and need to feel. So what better way than to get a large size V and put bold, beautiful, and blessed. Here's another quote that says, "Black and beautiful." And we have this doll here that is just, she's just relaxing in her business chair. And she's looking like, "Honey, I'm not bossy, I am the boss." So that's what this sticker gives here. And this quote that says, "Believe you can and you will." This one here is my absolutely favorite. I wonder if I can, yep, I can enlarge it. It says, "Create your own table." I pulled this doll, I found a table, and I put that quote on top of it that says, "Create your own table." I absolutely love it. And this quote here says, "Fearfully and wonderfully made." We have a laptop here, and we got the little coffee drink because as you know, I'm a heavy coffee drinker, and pretty much when I'm drinking coffee, I'm either relaxing or I'm doing some type of business activity. And also we have these angle icons over here that says to do, focus, appointment, meal plan, errands, and memo. So this is the sticker sheet, I Am Woman. You have the decor here of the dolls, and you have your functional and quotes on this page. And last but not least, we have He is Risen, that is related to the Easter slash resurrection season. So this is the first Easter related digital sticker digital sticker sheet set. There we go. Can't say that fast all in one. But this is the first one related to the Easter slash resurrection season. You will see another one that comes out later on in the month of March. But this one says He is Risen, and it gives you the theme of the resurrection season. You have Christ here that is looking up in the sky with his arms stretched out. You have the three crosses here. You have the tomb. You have the crown of thorns. This color scheme here is absolutely beautiful. I love it. And I created this one with the cross to say He is Risen. Absolutely love it. You have the doves here, and you have Christ holding I'm going to say that's a sheep. If it's not, we'll call it a lamb with the palm leaves. In the background, we have some more palm leaves up here. So this first page is the decor, and here we have, of course, the functional shapes along with some more decor. So we have the circles here. We have some more hexagons here. This is like a floral arrangement that you can use as a border that has the communion cup on it. And this is a border that you can use that have the palm leaves on it. Let me see if I can enlarge it, or what I'll do, I'll just see if I can zoom, okay, I'm just gonna have to move it around so you all will be able to see it, because this one is pretty light. We have our boxes over here, and down here at the bottom we have our functional activities today to do this week: meal planning, goals, focus, appointment. And this is one of my favorites that I created, which is the tomb area and Christ up from the tomb to show that he is risen. I absolutely love how I created that, putting those digitals together. This one says love starts here. This is the crown of thorns, so that's that. And this one, this is another one of my favorite. It has the nails and the crown of thorns. You know how it says XOXO means love letters, so I just put here the original love letters. I absolutely love that. And if you know me, I'm very big on my relationship that I have with Christ. So this sticker set means a lot to me. I love this time of the year because the whole meaning behind the cross, it just does me good, like for real. So this is the He is Risen sticker set. Alright, you guys, that is all for this particular video. I just want to show you the March digital sticker releases. As I mentioned earlier in the video, these stickers are live and selling in my Etsy shop. So if you're interested in either Let's Get Shamrock, I Am Woman, or He is Risen, head on over to my Etsy shop. The link is in the description of this video so you can grab your digital sticker sets. Alright, last but not least, if you like this video, I would appreciate it if you gave me a thumbs up, as well as leave me a comment down there in the comment section. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, I would appreciate if you go on and hit that subscribe button, as well as that little bell notification, so you will be notified when there are new videos such as this one that have been uploaded and ready for you to check out. Alright, you guys, that's all for this video. I will catch you in the next one. Bye for now.